What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora and we are going to be working on the Del Sol. This video is sponsored by MAXPEEDINGRODS. They reached out to me through Instagram and wanted to send me a free product to try. So I ordered a traction bar kit that we're going to install later in the video. I am super excited. MAXPEEDINGRODS likes to focus on performance, so let's check out what they're all about. If you guys liked what you saw, make sure you go check out their website. It's maxpeedingrods.com, and they have all kinds of stuff to choose from. But I'm going to go ahead and drop the link for the traction bar kit down in the description. If you are wanting to go look at that or anything else, just head on over to their website. Another thing I love about them is they're always offering like discount codes and stuff like that, so they're pretty affordable. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I would love to get one of those turbos. So thank you so much, MAXPEEDINGRODS, for sending me this traction bar kit. Got a new keychain for Pop Pop. Look what he does. And I want to show you guys, he used to love hanging out in this corner over here. So I planted in some flowers. And made a little sitting area. But yeah, he loved this corner. We love you, Pop Pop.
Look at that, you got a perfect spot for a draggy.
Yep. What's up, guys? We're in the Del Sol, and we're about to go test out Jake's draggy that he got for his birthday. Yep, you're right. This thing is hot. I am so excited because my traction bar kit came in and it looks pretty sweet. I already took out the brackets and the hardware that came with it. These hook up to the control arms, and of course we've got our other bars and the big traction bar. So I am super excited to get this thing installed on the car. To go along with the traction bar, I've also got MAXPEEDINGRODS coilovers that I got for Christmas. Definitely need to install those, but I'm going to save that for a different video. But these things are pretty sweet, and I just wanted to show you what they look like while we're talking about MAXPEEDINGRODS products. cannot wait to install these too. We just haven't had time lately. It's been hectic. But guys, these are some really great products. So make sure you go check them out on their website. Let's go ahead and get this traction bar on. All right, we've got the Del Sol up front now. And we are getting ready to start working on installing this traction bar kit. You know what that means. We're gonna need to get the jack. Oh yeah, speaking of jack, we got something to show you. This is our new Daytona jack. I got it for Jake's birthday. He loved it. This is what the setup is gonna look like. This bar up here is gonna be attached to the radiator support up underneath. And then, like I said earlier, these brackets are going to be hooked up to the control arms. Always use jack stands. I'm going to show you guys where the traction bar kit's going to hook up before we throw you into a time lapse and actually install it. Alright guys, so if you see these 3 holes that are right here, that's where the traction bar is going to be hooking up on both sides. And then those smaller arms are going to be coming off and hooking up onto the control arms right here. Alright y'all, we're finished installing the traction bar kit. It did take us longer than we expected because we ended up having to move around this intercooler piping. It was in the way, but everything looks good now. And hopefully this is going to help me improve my times. We're going to take it back out and test it out with the draggy. Jake's been trying to race me, so I need to show him what's up. But yeah. Definitely check out MAXPEEDINGRODS for traction bar kits or anything else that you might want, because so far I am loving their products. Alright guys, we've got the traction bar installed and it looks really good. Nothing's touching, surprisingly. But now we're getting ready to go take it back out and see how it runs with the draggy again. Hopefully my time's going to improve. Go ahead and warm up the car, and then we'll head out. Well guys, we got rained out. It really sucks, but I'll take it out on a different day and we'll test out that traction bar. I do have some exciting news though. Super Clean reached out again and they want to do a giveaway on the channel. So I'm going to be sending one of you guys a box of Super Clean products. All you need to do is put down in the comments what you think my favorite candy is. I love junk food, so I just thought this would be a fun one. But it's got to be one guess only per comment, and this is a US only contest. That's what Super Clean informed me. So I do apologize, but if you live in the United States and you want to guess what my favorite candy is, go ahead and put it down in the comments, and the first person who gets it right is going to win a box of Super Clean products. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It'd mean the world to me. But I'll catch you guys in the next video.